everyone and welcome to another episode of Storytime with Malika. इस episode में I wanted to do something different. I wanted to recommend books जो मैंने ये पूरे साल में read की है, my top recommendations. But before we dwell into this is story time for a reason, and so you are not going away without a story. For people who don't know me, reading is not something, it's not my cup of tea. I mean, I hate reading. मैं books read करती नहीं थी, मुझे books read करना पसंद नहीं था. I had zero patience when it comes to reading. Also, I feel aptitude भी नहीं था, like I couldn't read. मैं 2 पन्ने पढ़ूंगी and I will sleep off. So, tried a lot, but मैं कभी books नहीं पढ़ पाती थी. My parents on the other hand, my parents are crazy book lovers. मेरी mom, मेरे dad, like हिंदी हो, गुजराती हो, English हो या मराठी हो, कोई भी language की books हो, doesn't matter, they would read it. And because they had this habit of reading books, they made sure कि उनके बच्चों पे भी ये pass on हो. So ever since I remember that I was a kid, मेरी mom मुझे books recommend करती रहती थी. She used to give me books कि ये पढ़ो, ये पढ़ो, ये पढ़ो. मेरे घर पे बहुत बड़ी लाइब्रेरी है and my parents have stocked it with books. To make matters worse, मेरे पापा की बुक की दुकान है. So books की कमी मेरे घर में बिल्कुल भी नहीं थी. And like I said, कि they wanted कि I go through, I mean I read these books. So she used to give me ये book पढ़ो, ये book पढ़ो, ये book पढ़ो. And because मैंने कभी this never became a habit for me, or this was not something जो ना मेरी हॉबी बनी ना मेरा इंटरेस्ट बना. सो मुझे हमेशा ऐसा लगता था जब भी मम्मी या पापा मुझे बुक देते थे, आई यूज्ड टू फील लाइक ये पनिशमेंट है दैट आई हैव टू रीड अ बुक. बट मी नॉट बीइंग एबल टू डू दैट, आई ऑलवेज फेल्ट लाइक ये मेरा वर्स्ट ड्रॉबैक है. लाइक आई यूज्ड टू जज माई सेल्फ कि मैं क्यों नहीं पढ़ पा रही हूँ. आई यूज्ड टू फील कि मैं कितनी गधी गवार हूँ. ऑल्सो बिकॉज मैं काफ़ी ऐसे लोगों के इर्द गिर्द आई वॉज सराउंडेड पीपल हु वर क्रेजी इन टू बुक्स. आई फेल्ट जज्ड कि क्योंकि तुम बुक नहीं पढ़ पा रहे हो तुम गधे हो, क्योंकि तुम बुक नहीं पढ़ पा रहे हो तुम्हारा IQ वीक है, एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट. बहुत ही नेगेटिव मुझे फीलिंग्स फील होती रहती थी बिकॉज ऑफ मी नॉट बीइंग एबल टू डू दैट. आई डिड मेक एफर्ट्स. मैंने काफ़ी कोशिश की कि मैं कुछ तो पढ़ लूँ, बट मेरे से नहीं होता था. When I was pregnant, I felt like maybe I should cultivate this habit and I should start reading, ताकि like लोग बोलते हैं कि आप रीड करो, आपका बच्चा भी सुनता है and all of it करके. So I tried it. I tried my best. नहीं हो पाया, 2 पन्ने पढ़े, बोर हो गई. Done. That's all I could do. All of this until 2025. 2025 was my year of developing into a reader. It all started because of a friend of mine. So a very close friend of mine published his book recently. Tab he was an acquaintance, and I think the very first time I was talking to him, I don't remember, but then he said like I don't know how, why, what. मैंने ये impression दी कि he like I was leaving and he's like I've written a book, मुझे उसको publish करनी है, but I need opinions. Can you please go through this book and let me know what do you think. और मैं वहाँ पे बैठ के मैं ऐसे देख रही हूँ like ये शक्ल पे मेरे लिखा है कि मैं books read करती हूँ. Yeah, at what point in our conversation did I give you that idea that I read books? But I felt trapped and I felt like, oh shit, I have to be polite, I have to be nice. And I'm like, हाँ चलो ठीक है, I'll read your book, I'll give you my opinions. I walked away from there thinking कि नहीं हो पाएगा. I mean like I don't think so I'll be able to read the book. But I did. I finished reading his book in 2 days, I think. And I enjoyed the entire process of reading the book and everything. In hindsight, I also feel like because I felt कि वो responsibility मुझे दी थी that you have to give me opinions या you have to give me suggestions. So I think it was that as well that excited me. But anyhow, I absolutely loved this process of reading that book and finishing it off इतने अच्छे से. Like I remember मैं अपना काम छोड़ के I used to, क्योंकि मेरे पास फ़ोन में थी वो book, I used to keep scrolling and keep reading. मैं जिम में भी आई थिंक मैं वॉकर करते करते मैंने 1-2 चैप्टर्स वैसे पढ़े. And so I felt like maybe I should take this opportunity, and I went back to him again and I asked him to, suggest some more books. And he kept doing that. He kept recommending some more books. And 2025 खत्म हो रहा है, and ये पूरे साल में I have read 14 books. Like you can see here. I'm so impressed. I'm so proud of myself कि I have done this. ये मेरे लिए has been one of the biggest highlights of 2025, bigger than this podcast. Trust me when I say this, bigger than this podcast, because मुझे not being able to read a book has given me so much inferiority complex. So for me, being able to unlock this has to be a biggest highlight of my year. So much so कि मैंने ये साल में काफ़ी बुक्स खरीदी भी है. It's not about borrowing books from somebody, but I've also purchased books अपने से. I have gone to friends' house, मिलने गई हूँ, and I've ended up borrowing their books and come back. And I have a long list of books जो I'm like, हाँ मुझे ये भी पढ़नी है, ये भी पढ़नी है, ये भी पढ़नी है, ये भी पढ़नी है. And I'm always constantly exploring. So that's that's a small gist of my journey when it comes to reading books. But like I said, because I'm somebody who's a new reader, जिसने नई ये hobby पाल रखी है, I wanted to sit and I wanted to reflect on a couple of books जो मैंने पढ़ी है. I mean, recommend a couple of books to you guys. But while I do that, I also have some more, because I realized मेरे जैसे और भी लोग होंगे who might want to develop this habit. So I have थोड़े suggestions for that as well. But first and foremost, on the list is Paulo Coelho की 11 Minutes. This was the first book ever जो मैंने अपने जीवन में खरीदी थी. I almost been like more than 10 years कि मैंने ये बुक पढ़ी थी. And this is on my list of a book जो मुझे वापस रीड करनी है 2026 में. There's a story about a Brazilian woman who travels for work, for adventure, for love, and it's her entire journey. थोड़ी dark है. I mean, it's a bit dark. It talks about a couple of themes that you might not be interested in, but yes, over and all, I really loved this book. And like I said, I cannot wait to read this book again. But next on the list, Mrs. Funnybones by Twinkle Khanna. When I was struggling, like I said, जब मैं बहुत struggle कर रही थी कि I want to develop this habit, मेरे husband ने मुझे ये book दी थी because it's very light. And he said कि start with books like this and then maybe you'll be able to read some more serious books. So because this year was book reading, book searching year, I finally, after 5 years, I read that book. I read this book. The only reason I'm, ये बुक के बारे में मैं पॉइंट आउट भी कर रही हूँ is because ये बुक रीड करके I realized कि मे बी मैं खुद भी बुक लिख सकती हूँ. If you would have heard my first episode about Storytime with Malika, I said कि मैंने सोचा था कि before a podcast I had thought कि I'll write a book, Thank You for Trauma. I got that idea of writing that book after reading Mrs. Funnybones. I wanted to go along the same lines. So yeah, this book definitely gets a shout out because reading this book I realized that a book does not have to be Shakespeare level English books. Easy reads हो सकती है. It can be stupid, it can be funny, it can be relatable, and you do not have to sound like a scholar. You can just keep things real and you can still end up writing a good book. So yeah, would not read this book again because maybe it's not my cup of tea. I did not find it funny, but अगर कोई है ऐसा जिसको books read करने की एक habit डालनी है, they should definitely check this book out. It's a very easy read. It's a short chapters है, बहुत जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाते हैं, so you don't really need to put your brain a lot into it as well. So I would recommend this. Another book in the same line that I would recommend is Before the Coffee Gets Cold. Before the Coffee Gets Cold, this was a book जो मेरी mom ने मुझे recommend की थी, and that is why I read. I didn't really like this book because this book talks about time travel. So basically it's set up in Japan. एक छोटा सा cafe है. ये cafe में you can go they have a seat which can take you back in time or take you forward in time as well, either or. There are a lot of rules, but end of the day जब तक आपकी जो कॉफ़ी है आपके टेबल पे है वो ठंडी नहीं हो जाती, you can time travel. That's the basic theme. It's a very easy read, it's a very light read. 4 chapters hai, about four different time travel stories. Character development is good, but I don't like this book only because time travel as a whole, as a concept, is not something, I mean, वो मेरे पल्ले नहीं पड़ता. That's not my cup of tea, and because that's more or less what this book talks about, so that is why I didn't really love this book. But what I love about this book is that it does, like, end of the day it gives you an opportunity. Like अगर आप उसकी stories पढ़ोगे, it will give you a glimpse of hope, it will give you a glimpse of second chances and things like that. So उस हिसाब से if you're somebody who's into positivity in a way, you can definitely read this book. Like I said, it's a very light read, and so for somebody जो इतना books read नहीं करता can definitely read it. इस author की in the same like he has 3 or 4 more books जो उन्होंने निकाली है, so there are a lot of sequels. I am not planning to read those sequels. Like I would not purchase it and read it. अगर मुझे कहीं मिल गई, I might, but that's where I am with this book. So this is another recommendation that I would read. Next is I would come to my recommendations from 2025, like my top reads. Comes Circle with No Center by Deepak Khurana. Like I said, I started reading a book because of a book that a friend of mine published. This is the book. If you see my list, you would see कि मैंने ये book 2 बार पढ़ी है. First, जब ये publish भी नहीं हुई थी, this was still in the works, and second, when this book finally got published. So I've read this twice. This again is a very easy read. Somebody new into reading can definitely read this. This is a very relatable book. It talks about a male and a female. Like it's a love story for people in their 30s. And ये बहुत ही realistic overview है about this book. Like if you'll read this book, you'll definitely be able to draw parallels आपकी खुद की life में. You'll see like कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा होगा, या तो वो male lead में या तो female lead में, which you'll definitely be able to relate. आपके past, present में definitely, and that makes it all the more exciting to read. Also because there are no names, the male lead or the female lead has no names, so it becomes that much more easier for you to kind of put yourself in that situation and then relate to what's going. Also, like I said, it's for people dating in their 30s, so if you've not checked out this book, please do. This is the first published book by the author, लिखी हुई fourth, but this is the first published book by the author, and I really hope to see more books from him. Like I said, he's a friend, but he is really good when it comes to storytelling and writing, and you should definitely check out this book. Next on the list, we have Murakami. So, Men Without Women, this book is accumulation of short stories. It's basically, it talks about men, as it says, men without women, men's feeling without women. So it talks about grief, it talks about love, it talks about longing, and all of those emotions जो आपको लगता है, which you will not usually relate with men. Like हर कोई ये बोलता है ना, मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता, मर्द का दिल पत्थर से बना हुआ होता है, बट वो पत्थर के पीछे के जो इमोशंस होते हैं ना, जब एक आदमी के जीवन में औरत नहीं है या औरत चली जाती है या औरत को लेके जो दुख, दर्द, पीड़ा, those emotions is what this book talks about. There are a couple of stories इसमें, short stories. It's a good read. It's a slow read, but it's a good read. This was my second book that I started, and this took me around 2-3 months to finish because, like I said, I was still developing this effort, this practice of reading. एंड सो आई वॉजंट श्योर, लाइक मेरे लिए इट गॉट वेरी स्लो इन द स्टार्ट, सो आई वॉजंट श्योर कि मैं ये कंप्लीट कर पाऊँगी कि नहीं. बट आफ्टर आई फिनिश दिस, मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल काफ़ी बूस्ट हो गया था, एंड देन आई कुड रीड मच मोर serious heavy books as well. So this would definitely be my recommendation for 2025. Next up on the list we have Tuesdays with Murray. Tuesdays with Murray, there's a lot of jury out there when it comes to this book. ये book इतनी अच्छी नहीं है, ये book काफ़ी अच्छी है, मुझे तो नहीं रुलाया, मुझे तो रुलाया, things like that. Like I have heard mixed reviews with this book. This book definitely made me cry. This book ka theme is it's basically a professor who's dying and uska favorite student, and you know, before he's dying, because he's going through ALS, and before his death, like the teacher and the student, they spend Tuesdays together, jahan pe teacher apne life lessons wo student ko deta hai. A lot of these lessons are things, you know, that you would know of. Like you are aware about these lessons, you are aware about looking life at a particular, you know, in that mindset. So it talks about life, death, love, and a lot of these things. It's a very cute read, and if you are emotional like me, you'll definitely cry. But last but not the least, my top recommendation for this year is The Book Thief. Now, just a small context, like I said, because 2025 has been my book reading year. मैंने इसके पहले सारी जो books पढ़ी थी, like you could see these, and there are some more, like a lot more जो मैंने पढ़ी है. These have been very easy reads. These have been very small books, 200, 250 pages at max, and you know, I mean, they were still very easy, and I still felt like when I picked up that book, I still felt like कि हाँ यार ये तो मैं पढ़ पाऊँगी. I had a colleague of mine, Sonu, who came over to my house, and she got me this book as a gift. Again, I still don't know why मैं लोगों को वो impression देती हूँ कि मैं book पढ़ती हूँ, या maybe I'm into book reading, या maybe I don't know, maybe I would have told her in passing कि you know, I'm getting into this or whatever it is. This is one of her favorite books, and so she wanted me to read this, and she got me this book. And जब उसने मुझे दी, this was another like what the fuck moment मेरे लिए, where I was like, नहीं यार ये तो मैं बिल्कुल भी नहीं पढ़ पाऊँगी. I'm like, look at the size of this book, and I'm like, इसने मुझे क्यों दी? Shit, I will have to read this book now, just out of, you know, just trying to be polite. So that's exactly what I thought when she gave me this book. Also, it was difficult for me because it's a hardbound book है, बहुत मुश्किल हो जाती है read करना. So I did start reading this book, and I was super slow when it comes to this book because I felt like नहीं बहुत ज़्यादा है, this is too heavy. I like, in my head I felt like I'm going to fail, you know, this is it, like नहीं हो पाएगा, this is the book that will end the streak of me reading books or whatever it is. But 100 pages in, and I got so hooked with this book. I mean, I love this book. Like I said, this is definitely my top recommendation 2025 की. This is definitely my top book. अभी तक इसको किसी ने nobody has crossed this, but this is the favorite book so far abhi in my list of all the books that I've read. This book is very different. So हमेशा कोई भी books होती है, it is either from a male's point of view or a female's point of view, or you know, like things like that. This book is written by death. I mean, ये death के point of view से है. It's about, the story is about this young girl who is living in Germany ये Hitler के time पे, and how things are in Germany, how you know there जो पूरा जो war हो रहा है, it's talking about war, it's talking about all of those, and amidst all of that chaos, it's talking about this girl who couldn't read, who couldn't write much, but develops this habit of reading, and she gets into stealing books. So literally the title, Book Thief. So she gets into reading, and you know, that becomes her joy So in between all the love and the loss and the war and the chaos and all of it, it talks about her and her books and her love for books and how her habit has brought people close. So yeah, overall it's very difficult to put it in words, but this is this is the puchi of books that I've had. Thank you, Sonu, for gifting me this book. This book has touched me, has touched my heart in a special way. And the way this book actually comes full circle in the end, like I don't want to spoil it, but yes, please read this book. This would be my number one recommendation of all the books that I've read. So yeah. So yes, this is it. Now because I've also developed this habit, मेरा goal 2026 के goal में book reading has definitely been added. I aim to read 2 books every month. That's something that I've set out for myself. So yeah, that is it. Hope you like these recommendations. I hope I was able to inspire some of you to read any of these books. Baki, if you guys have any recommendations for me, please put it down in the comments and I will definitely check it out. Also, I'm thinking, should I start a book club? Not a book club, no. Should I start like a क्या होता है वो pen pal types? क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Anyways. But yeah, this is it from me. I'll see you guys in another episode. Until then, like, share, subscribe. And if you are into reading books, keep reading. Bye.